Hello there! In this video, we will learn how to use Do You Know. Once logged in, navigate to Do You Know. Here, you can create trends, classification, outlier, forecast, correlation, text analysis, regression analysis, and cluster analysis. Below this, you can see the Recent section, where you can access all the recently created analysis. Next is the All section, where you can find every analysis. You can also filter and view analyses based on specific types. You can also access your favorites or explore the analyses shared with you. Still having difficulties in finding the analysis? Simply use the search bar. Let's begin by clicking on Create Trend Analysis. Here, first select your schema. Next, fill the metric fields based on your requirements. Once done, click on Save and name your insight. Your insight has been created successfully. Here, you can share your insight. To view the data used in creating it, click on Data Summary. You can also create custom insights or click on the Edit button to make changes in your existing analyses. By clicking on the three dots, you can schedule, compare, email, export, and perform other actions on your insight.